Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to know how to create this look, you better So first of all, we're going to put on some white paint and cover all our face. Now we're going to move on to creating a little circle, like a sunset shape, and then around it we're going to create like diamond shaped shapes around it. Now that's done, we're going to put some red inside this sun first. And then we go on to the diamond shapes and fill those in. So you fill all of them in so they match. Now that's done, we're going to move on to the eyes. So we're going to start off by doing a circle around the inner of our eyes and then around up to the eyebrows, so where you started, from the eyebrows around. We'll then do the same on the other one, just repeating what you did on the other one. And you do make a few mistakes on this, believe you me. Took me quite a while. Now that's done, you can put some paint in the inside of the circle. Start painting it on. And you repeat this on the other, both of them as well. And you do make a few mistakes with this because it can go outside the lines, so you got to be very concentrating on what you're doing. I decided to try this out because all this makeup is from Poundland, so if you go to Poundland you can get it for £1. So I was just trying it out for you guys. But it did the job, got to say. So thanks Poundland. Very cheap and very affordable, I think, for a Halloween makeup. If you don't want to go expensive like some people do, and if you make a mistake you just put some white powder in and just blend it. So where I've made a mistake and now I've blended it out. Yeah, all this makeup is from Poundland. If you're interested in getting it, it's called the Day of the Dead makeup. So Primark are doing different sorts and I thought I'd buy some and try them out for you guys. So yeah, so we're filling in the other one now. It's quite hard to keep it inside the lines. So if you go outside the lines, just cover it up again, like I just did then. You will make a few mistakes like I do, but it turns out really good in the end once you keep trying. And I actually like this Halloween look. It's really nice, very spooky, especially with all the shapes and that. And you can add accessories that you can get from Poundland as well for £1, because the Day of the Dead accessories you can put on the top of your head or get some other bits and bobs if you go to Primark. So now I just realised I need to use a sponge instead, because it'll be much better to just blend it out. I suggest using some like makeup tools and that, because the accessories that come with this is not very helpful. So like painting and that it out. So now I'm gonna go on to just covering up bits and pieces. Putting a bit more white on because I think you can see a bit of my skin still. Makes it a little bit more scary with a bit of black as well. So I'm going to go around and make shapes, circle shapes. Now, so you can search up these looks Day of the Dead makeup stuff on Pinterest. There are loads of ideas to do. This is just one of them that I took from Pinterest that I thought was really good. And I actually enjoyed doing this look. Now I've done both of them on both sides of the eyes, I am going to fill them in with a bit of red. So the inside of the circles. I found this paint brush quite easy to use, but I think it is really hard to do. But you get there in the end. So we fill them in, like I'm doing now, and you repeat it on the other one as well. So I'm just filling some of the bits I've missed over again. And just covering them in to make sure that I've got all of it. So yeah, that's that eye done. Now to move on to the next one. Give this a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thank you.